friend indeed. A dog is a man's best friend. Two of the most common cliches, right? But you know what? They are so true, especially in the case of German Shepherds. So, today on Heavy Petting, we're going to find out lots about these dogs who are one of the most loyal breeds. And why do I say that? Because of their intelligence, their sense of smell and their memory. If you want to find out more about German Shepherds and about this beautiful location, you have to stay with us. But before that, here's a super quick look at what all is coming up on Heavy Petting. Come, we can go now. A German holiday. Back to the vet. Virtual fame on Blogger's Bark. Meet the dog. And fly high. Wondering where I am? I'm at the Blitz Horse Kennel in Hyderabad, and this is Inke, a resident of the farm who's taking me around the German Shepherd breeding farm. But there's a reason why we're at the breeding farm. Why don't we go and find out from the man himself? Inke, where is your master? Come. Slowly, 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 boy. So I finally managed to track down the owner of this beautiful farm, Mr. Rakesh Sudham. We're going to be hounding you with some questions about German Shepherd. How old is the place? When did you start it?
We have started breeding dogs for 20 years now.
20 years you've been breeding them.
It started as a pet at home.
Okay. You had a German Shepherd at home?
We had a German Shepherd at home.
Okay.
From there, the idea to improve the breed quality, we started improving the standards.
Okay.
In the process, we started getting more and more dogs into the kennel.
How many of them here?
Today we have about 42 German Shepherd dogs with us.
42?
42 of them.
Okay.
We've added Labradors to us.
Okay.
And we have totally about 48 dogs in totality now.
Tell us a little bit about German Shepherd. How can you as a breeder, an experienced breeder, what are the qualities of a good pedigree dog when it comes to German Shepherds?
The feature of the German Shepherd dog depends on the appearances of the dog. The color of the
which
dog,
should be, what is like a good color?
The tan here and the pigmentation have to be the black color.
Okay.
This has to be golden in color.
Yeah.
The ears upright.
Yeah.
Okay, and the nose also straight.
Okay.
Okay, the skull is supposed to be a little bigger in size.
Okay. What about the hind legs? What is like the perfect posture of a good German Shepherd?
The hind legs are strong because these are shepherd dogs. They're meant for doing the shepherd activity.
Yeah.
If you look at in Germany, these dogs are they are in farms.
Yeah.
And the posture has come the way it is on a mountains.
Oh, okay.
It takes the hind legs as a support.
So the hind legs are strong and they help them walk up.
Help them walk
hill.
up, and that makes the posture come in that way.
And also they're known as some of the best security dogs or guard dogs.
If you look at the entire gene of dogs, German Shepherd is only a dog which can smell the maximum number of human smells.
Okay, and distinguish?
Distinguish between each other. It can store in its memory few thousands of smells.
Thousands
of smells. No other dog can do this.
So what is their routine like, an everyday routine for the dogs that you have here?
We've got 10 acres of land here, and in that we allow the dogs to move around. We give them some training in the morning, and we have staff which do the training to the dogs.
What are your views on microchipping though?
See, microchip is used for identifying a dog.
So for people who don't know what microchipping is, briefly if you can tell.
Microchip is something which is an instrument which is inserted into the skin of the collarbone, collar skin.
Yeah.
It gets into the skin, it remains into the body, it does not harm the dog in any manner.
Yeah, it's
a lot of
just
people
an
talk about it,
identification.
talk about adverse, but till date never we have come out any issues coming out of identification.
Do you think that in India microchipping should become more and more active?
It should become a compulsion.
Compulsion.
The Animal Husbandry Department should ensure or bring in lot of rules and regulations, lot of norms in breeding. How are we safeguarding a dog?
Yeah.
How are we ensuring the ethical practices of a dog are upheld?
Absolutely. Yeah. So when you have a litter, till what age do the puppies stay with the mother?
See, I recommend 45 days to 2 months of stay of the puppy with the mother.
Okay.
German Shepherd dogs come into heat twice a year.
Okay.
Okay, and I would recommend that the dog should be mated only once in a year, and the litter should be expected once in a year only.
Thank you so much, Rakesh. It
You're
was
welcome.
an absolute pleasure talking to you, and I had so many questions about German Shepherds, and I hope everybody has more answers to their queries as well. And if you don't mind, I think she's getting restless. I'll take her for a little walk. Oh my God! Linear, championship, age and strength. So much to deal with purebreds like you. Do you know that? Well, talking about breeding, there's a very recent law introduced by the Animal Welfare Board of India that each and every dog at the breeding center should be microchipped. So if you're getting a puppy from a breeding center, keep that in mind. We're going to take a short break because he's exhausted me. He has all the energy right now, but I don't. But make sure you come back because there's lots of heavy petting on the other side of the break. This is Peppy and Neha welcoming you back to Heavy Petting in Hyderabad. Well, Peppy was just telling me about her concerns when her puppies find a new home. Are you also concerned when you get a new puppy home? If you are, then the vet is here to give you all the correct answers.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. You got a new puppy?
Yes, I would like you to advise me on the care I should take.
Now, since this is the first day with your, this is the first day that you have brought the dog, let him get used to your environment. The most important thing is once you get your puppy into your house, remove all breakable items so that the dog doesn't damage. And all the electrical outlets you should tape it so that it doesn't go and chew on them. And then the dog should not have access to the plants, so some of the plants might be poisonous to the dog. Because when you puppy in your house, everybody will come and try to lift the dog. So the most important thing is it's not to lift the dog like this, because you'll be putting a lot of pressure on the stomach. It's better to hold it like this. So the dog is very comfortable. You see how the dog is comfortable in my hand. That's the way they should hold the dog. Now since you got a new puppy, you have to give a name to the dog. It should not be a very long name. It should be a 1 or 2 syllable word.
Yes.
And it should not be the most common word that you are going to use. Sit, no, because that are the things, command that you have to train the dog. So it should be Rex or any 2 syllable word, Bruno. there are in the market you get dog beds are available. But for the first night, if you have not bought a bed, even a cardboard box will do. Just put the dog into that, and then I would prefer that the dog stays with you in your bedroom for the first night. So it gets some attention. It knows that somebody is there close by. The first 3 months you don't have to, you have to train yourself. Okay. You have a small biscuit, treats are there available. The professional training starts at about 3.5 months. And that's the time when the dog is able to understand and the commands and everything.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, go get it. Come on. Come on. Hey, before you run off to puppy-proof your homes, here's time to look at the stars of the week. Good boy. This is Rambo, Shilpa's pet from Bengaluru. He loves playing with children and being a child himself. Look, even in this pic, he's drooling for attention. Jyoti's pet Chidni is a cuddly, pampered pooch who loves all the heavy petting. Wow, she seems to be an addict of the show. This is Hemant Furry Lhasa Apso from Delhi. Hemant says his pet is often mistaken for a soft toy. Well, now we know why. Meet Kritika's pet Kaisha, who's 4 and loves to sleep. When not sleeping, she loves to pose for the camera. Well, you are at the perfect place, Kaisha. It's showtime for Neo. This little pooch is Rutuja and Priyanka's pet who loves ice cream. His favorite game is hiding things in the house. Now that innocent smile must be his alibi. Wish your pet was here? Then send in high-resolution photos and videos of your pet to pets@ndtvgoodtimes.com and watch them on Heavy Petting. Wow, now that's what I call strutting your stuff. And now it's time for you guys to strut your stuff. Actually, just one of you. The winner of last week's contest question.
Jitendra Singh Rathod from Jodhpur. Congratulations.
Wondering what the correct answer is? Well, here it is. Last week we asked you how many pairs of chromosomes do dogs have. The correct answer is dogs have 39 pairs of chromosomes while humans have 23. Welcome back to Blitz Horse Kennel in Hyderabad on Heavy Petting. Well, it's really important for dogs to get their exercises round the year for their fitness. But you know what happens with changing seasons? There are new problems that keep coming up. Worry not, Dr. Umesh is here and he has solutions for all the seasons.
Hi, welcome to Ask the Dog section. I'm here to answer the queries from pet parents. Today's query is from Sanya from Mumbai.
My dog Lucy is showing signs of false pregnancy. Please tell me about this condition and advise me on what I should do.
Hi Sanya, it's not an uncommon condition to find this in unneutered bitches. This condition is also called pseudo-pregnancy or the false pregnancy. And if it recurs, definitely such dogs are likely to develop the uterus infection called pyometra. Generally, the dogs with this condition shows all the mother instinct. So she might behave like as if she's already pregnant. So must start collecting all the toys or objects she might really treat as a babies. She might become restless, then she must start secreting a lot of milk. Generally, they recover spontaneously in 2 to 3 weeks' time. But if this recurs again with every season, definitely so that's a case something need to attend to. If you're not interested in breeding her, please do consider neutering her. So do think about pros and cons of neutering, and you can discuss with your vet.
Thank you, Dr. Umesh. I hope you guys know we'll always have experts to answer all your queries regarding creatures you love. Not just those who bark and meow, but even those who canter, crawl, ferret or fly. That's how we got to know these guys in Delhi, and they have a completely different story to tell.
People here in Old Delhi have a very old tradition of feeding kites. Back around 400 to 500 years ago, since that time they are feeding kites. The organization is called Wildlife Rescue, and we are doing this work since 7 years. And this is situated in Old Delhi, a place called Shahaganj. They get injured by this kite flying, paper kite flying. There's a thread the thread which is used in that is a glass coated thread, and it's very sharp. So when the bird is got tangled while flying, organization is run by me and my brother. It's a small shelter mainly for birds of prey, and there are around 70 kites, black kites, and we regularly get calls for owls and eagles also. They are undergoing a treatment, and they are in a process of recovery. The stitches have already been done on them, and around in 15 days they will be able to fly off. Fifteen years ago, we got an injured kite, and we took it to every animal hospital in Delhi. So that time nobody was willing to take it. So we dropped it where we got it in the evening. So from that time we regularly see these birds wounded on the road, but we were unable to do anything, so we did nothing. So around 7 years back, we brought one at our home. And after that, we also contacted the veterinarians, and with their help, we started treatment of them. The major funding is from our own pocket, and we sometimes get donations from some friends, relatives, and some other individuals. We want to make a full-time, a big shelter, so we can take all the birds of Delhi or in the areas around Delhi. So first we have to earn money, and then we have to spend them on them.
Now you know, flying paper kites is not that much fun for all of us. But we are here on Heavy Betting to keep updating you about facts. Right now it's time to see how much do you already know. Time for the contest question of the week. Dog's normal body temperature is A. 100 to 102 degree Fahrenheit, B. 98 to 100 degree Fahrenheit, or C. 96 to 97 degree Fahrenheit. SMS your answer A, B or C and send it to 56388. There are pedigree gift hampers waiting just for your pet. So I hope you guys have enjoyed our Heavy Petting special with German Shepherds, and I hope all you pet parents have got all those queries answered. Well, it's time for me to say goodbye, and each time I do that, my heart breaks. I mean, look at how handsome he is and how beautiful she is. But then, I will be back next week. Till then, this is Neha saying, keep on happy petting. No?